Hey fashion lovers, this haul is all about glitz, glam and fabulous party looks for Christmas and New Year. From stunning sequins to bold wrap dresses, I have styled 5 gorgeous outfits that will have you ready to slay this festive season. Let's dive into the sparkle. First up in our party wear haul is this stunning camel colored wrap dress, perfect for Christmas and New Year celebrations. From the brand All About You, this dress combines elegance and comfort effortlessly. The knee-length design, full sleeves and wrap-around style make it super flattering for every body type. What makes this dress special? It's knitted shimmer fabric in polyester, giving you that subtle sparkle without being over the top. To keep the look chic and comfortable, I have paired it with nude loafers and dainty jewelry, creating a vibe that understated but classy. Perfect for everything from a cozy dinner party to cocktail event. Wrap dresses are a wardrobe essential. They highlight your waist and add a feminine touch to any look. Plus, the shimmer makes it festive ready without needing any heavy accessories. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. Wear it with every look you slay. Let's talk about my second look from this party wear haul. A luxurious velvet midi length wrap dress with a chic tulip hemline. Perfect for those who loves elegance with a touch of drama. This stunner is from the brand AASK, crafted in soft polyester velvet that feels so luxe. The wrap style flatters your waist while the flared sleeves and fabric belt add a graceful flow to the silhouette. Velvet can be a bold choice, but it's perfect for evening parties and winter festivities. Keep the accessories minimal yet striking. Think metallic all jeweled pieces to let the fabric shine. To complete the look, I have styled it with silver thong style sandals and chunky silver earrings because metallic accents always pair beautifully with velvet's richness. A wrap dress like this not only hugs you in all the right places but also exudes confidence and class. So own your style and let your outfit do the talking. Looking for the perfect party dress to shine this season? Let me introduce you to my next look, a stunning maroon embellished wrap dress from Must and Harbor. This mini dress features a flattering V neckline, long sleeves and sequin detail that add just the right amount of sparkle for Christmas or New Year parties. The straight hemline keeps it sleek and modern, while the 100% polyester fabric ensures it's lightweight and comfortable for dancing the night away. To balance the short length of this dress, I have styled it with elegant pointy toe heels. These not only add height but also elongate your legs for the polished and balanced look. Less is more when it comes to high impact outfits. Sometimes surprises can be stylish. For my fourth look, I had originally ordered a different dress, but I received this gorgeous burnt orange solid sheath dress instead, and honestly, I couldn't resist including it in this haul. This dress from brand Athena in soft polyester suede fabric has a stunning sweetheart neckline and long puff sleeves that add a touch of drama. The burnt orange color is so unique and perfect for winter parties. If you are someone with broad shoulders like me, you can make small alterations to the puff sleeves to tone them down and create a more balanced look. Tailoring can completely change how a dress fits and flatters your frame. I have styled this beauty with chunky silver earrings for some sparkle and paired it with nude loafers for chic yet comfortable vibe. This combination keeps it casual yet party appropriate. For the grand finale of this haul, I am bringing you this showstopper maxi dress from the brand Based. And let me tell you, wearing this dress makes me feel like an absolute queen. This dress features a flattering V neckline, gorgeous bell sleeves, and a flared tulip hemline that adds a dramatic touch to every step you take. The polyester net fabric is adorned with sequins and shimmer, making it a perfect choice for New Year Eve celebrations. To keep the focus entirely on the stunning dress, I have kept the styling minimal. Silver thong style sandals and dainty jewelry that complements the sparkle without overwhelming it. When wearing a statement dress like this, balance it with neutral accessories and let the shimmer speak for itself. That's a wrap on this glam-packed haul. Which outfit was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I have shared all the product links in the description. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more styling tips and fashion haul. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining. Bye for now.